My name is Andrei Orlov, Deputy Chief Engineer at the OPPO Kizляr plant. We are Russia's largest factory for the production of knives, knife products. I found the idea to buy a laser cutting machine quite a long time ago, but if we say that 5 or 6 years ago the technology was not well developed enough to be able to take it with confidence and say that it is a reliable cutting equipment. In our production, the birth of a blade starts with sheet metal. As a rule, most of our serial products are made of sheet metal. Special knife steel is used for making knives, knife blades, folding knives, fixed knives. Its special feature is that it is hardened. When cutting on the Hans laser machine, we still have a slight hardening of the edge along the contour, so we do an annealing procedure to take it off. But in general, there are no problems with the materials and thicknesses we cut for series production.
I already cut my first part myself within 2 or 3 days. As for the layouts, things like that, it was after a week that I could do it all on my own. What I like about the work is the ease of use, the speed.
For the most part, we have mass production. The flow is such that it is simply impractical to make any one-off products. However, we have a separate direction of author's products, which are piece or small batch. And we also use the Hans laser machine to make cutting of cut bars, cutting of Damascus steel. Everything turns out very well. Before we bought Hans Laser, we used the stamping technology, the laser cutting technology from our partners. However, it is not very convenient and not very operative. This equipment allowed us to reduce the production cycle or the launch of a new product, i.e., from an idea to a finished serial product several times. Our employees have been trained. Among them, I attended a course from service engineers, Hans Laser, and everything was accessible, understandable. The guys are very qualified, competent. We first of all considered the laser cutting complex in order to cut blades for both fixed blade knives and folding knives with various accessories. The quality of the edge of the resulting parts after laser cutting, given that we cut in air, that is the main gas, the so-called compressed air, is very good. You can use nitrogen if you want to have perfect quality. In general, for our process in terms of price-quality ratio, the quality is very good, the output is excellent.